the second of Fray International Sustainability Award. Who we're gonna get it? Sure, it's related to sustainability. And the next winner is Henry Alfonso Colorado Lopera, University of Antioquia, Colombia. Oh, is Colombia or Brazil here? I'm just curious, are Colombians or Brazilians applauding, or both? Yeah. Congratulations, congratulations. He's a material science, the field is manufacturing. This is the award, bearing your name. Keep this. And the certificate, you have a photo there. You have to follow. Yeah. This to follow our standard. You can say a few words. Oh.
Yeah, I want to thank the organizers, Dr. Florian, and the people who proposed me for this award. It's really a big honor for me and also for my country and for Brazil as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations again. So I didn't get, so they are Brazilian or Colombian applauding? Oh.